This stunning 24 feet tiny house on wheels is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship by BackCountry Tiny Homes. Its sleek black exterior exudes elegance and sophistication. The single-story home boasts an impressive exterior with upgraded features that enhance its curb appeal. The upgraded peppercorn main door with an obscure window offers privacy while allowing natural light to filter in. The door is complemented by modern dark front door hardware that adds a touch of sophistication to the entrance. Loft storage above sofa in living room. This not only saves floor space, but also adds a functional and decorative element to the room. The walls of the house have been cladded with pine on the inside, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere in the living room. The natural beauty of the pine adds a rustic charm to the interior, while the wood's natural insulation properties provide extra warmth during colder months. This kitchen is equipped with all the appliances you need to cook and prepare meals with ease. From the refrigerator to the stove, dishwasher, and microwave, everything is conveniently located for maximum efficiency. Despite the abundance of storage space, the kitchen remains open and spacious, allowing you to move around and work with ease. The cabinets have been strategically placed to optimize the available space, ensuring that the kitchen feels both functional and inviting. This bathroom features large gray tiles in the shower area, creating a sleek and modern look. The stylish fixtures, such as the shower head and taps, add a touch of elegance to the space, making it feel both functional and sophisticated. The rest of the bathroom is covered in wood, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The wood provides a natural and rustic contrast to the modern gray tiles, creating a perfect balance of style and functionality. In addition to the stylish design elements, this bathroom also features a sink on top of the washing machine, creating a convenient and space-saving solution for smaller bathrooms. This clever combination of two essential appliances maximizes the available space and provides a practical and functional solution for your everyday needs. Attic bedroom above bathroom with queen-size bed. Thanks to the lighting and wooden wall cladding, the atmosphere of the loft-style bedroom is warm. Thanks for watching. Homes for Bright Living was with you. See you soon.